So hi everyone, last time we learned a, b, p, right? So I tried to make some words connecting it, like up, ba. It doesn't have any meaning, but just try to teach you how to connect words. For example, like let's try another. Ab, like six pack, ab, you know, or app. Just making up words. Bear, bear, or it's like it's from be and a, so it become bear, you know. So do you understand how they're connected? This is just like a rewind, it's like some sort of reinforcement. For the letters I already told you, so like a and b become up, right? And b and a become ba. Like we use the second form and the first form, connecting form of b, and the second form of a, because they both have four forms, right? So it become like this. So I just want to give you this quick quick reminder and reinforcement, like an exercise, like same as and pay up, right? So or pay and pa. Sorry again, I did the connecting three dots thing. Yeah, I just want you to have an idea of how they are connected, or if you forget, I want you to like remember the letters you already learned, unless you already watched the videos, or if you forget, you can go back and watch the videos about a, b, p again. Or if you watched it last week and you want to watch the new one, I just want you to remember this first.